Hi, today we're going to take a look at the angle addition postulate. Postulate, fancy way of saying rule. We have a rule that says add angles together, you get a big angle. Now, first image over there, first picture, we have three angles. We have 30, box, and x. This little box there in the corner says we have a right angle, meaning we have 90 degrees. Now, if I take 30, 90, and x, add them up, these all form a supplemental angle. That means they all give us a straight line or it's 180 degrees. So I can say 30 plus 90 plus mystery equals 180. Put them together, you get 120 in x. And then inverse operation, move that 120. X equals 60 degrees. Great. Next, does it get more complicated when we have actual points and descriptions of the angles? No, it's all the same stuff. But before we do this, I want to completely ignore it. I want to look at my picture. I want to fill in the picture with any information that I can put on there. So, like over there where I had three angles that added up to 180, it doesn't have to be three, it could be two. I have two angles right here that form a straight line. They are supplementary to each other. So I also can say, I'm going to call that x. 108 plus x equals 180. Let's move that 108 from both sides, and x is left with 72. So I now get a measure of 72 degrees here. Interesting enough, same thing happens over here. 108 plus, I'm going to call this y. These form a straight line. They're supplementary. So I can do the same exact thing. 108 plus y equals 180. Guess what? This is also 72 degrees. Now, our last one, we have angle, angle, angle. They all form a straight line, kind of like what we did in the first image. So I can now say 72 plus 42 plus, let's call that z, equals 180. Let's put things together. We get 110, 114 minus 114. Z equals 66. Okay, now let's go back to what we're looking for and fill in the information. AFB, AFB, 72. CFD, CFD, 66. And DFE, DFE, 72. If we label everything first, then when we go find these confusing looking angles, everything kind of falls right into place. And that is using the angle addition postulate.